Okay, here we go! Hey! It's supposed to come back! Why?
Oh, what's the matter? Your boomerang? Not again. Oh, it's really high. Nope, it's not coming down. Don't cry, it's okay. Let me think. Wait, the recycling. Bingo! Cardboard to the rescue. I need a circle right in the middle. Then some evenly placed marks. Use a ruler to draw lines. Pretty good. Keep going. Now draw these curvy lines through each section. Looking good. A little help. Perfect. Now for the fun part. Honey, you do the honors.
Really? Wow, thank you, Mom! Look at it!
Yay! Oh, thank goodness. Ugh, come on.
Check it out!
Hello? Oh, no! Yes, okay.
Huh?
Oh my, I have to go.
Bye!
Behave, okay?
There it is! I'm home alone, baby! And I can do whatever I want! Uh-oh! Oh no! Not our picture! Huh? No, no, no! It's broken! I can't salvage this! It's Mom's favorite picture of us! I am so dead! Unless I want to try something! I forgot about this old box! What's in here? Toilet paper? How about this? An old paper roll? Wait, I have an idea! Operation I don't want to get in trouble in full effect! All it takes is a little creative thinking. Well, the first step's done. Here's where the rolls come into play. A little more pink, perhaps? And on one end, a little love. Aww. It can connect the two sides. Nice! Aren't we the cutest? Why choose just one photo? Bring on the memories!
I'm back. That was rough. What's all this?
I made it for you. It's us, see? Our very own little slideshow.
Aren't you the sweetest thing? I love you, honey.
Just don't look down here. Yep. Whoa! Any clues in here? How about in the garden? I spy a clue. A very green clue. But it's all blurry. Help!
What? Am I sitting on something? Oh, what's this doing here? Such a mess. No, wait! I need this. Cardboard is one of the most versatile materials out there, and here's proof. Just trust the process, okay? And just like that, it's done. And for this piece, something a little different. Peekaboo! Just the right size for this. Nice! And for the back, I'm sticking in a teeny tiny flashlight. Just jimmy it in a bit. And put some hot glue here. Put some more for the other wire. And it's ready! Put the two pieces together, along with this. With some glue, it should stick. Next up, perhaps the most important piece. The piece she'll be looking through. Stick that plastic right on. Attach it to this, along with the knob and the plate. All done! Pretty clever, huh? Enjoy. Let there be light. See?
Wow, thank you! I've been dying to see what's on this thing. Whoa! Ugh, I regret this. I don't want to see close anymore.
But Okay, fine.
I'll just read.
I need a vacation. No spots here.
Meh, no thanks. Fruit attack!
Huh? That is unacceptable! Stop it right now!
Sorry, Mommy.
Wait a minute. Oh. Hello?
That was awkward.
Yes, 1 second.
Yay! While Mom's away, I can play! It's raining suds, people! Woohoo!
Bye! Oh! Young lady! There's soap everywhere! What did you do?
Just playing with suds. Don't hate me.
Actually, I have an even better idea. And it involves a sponge. Half of it anyway. Perfectly done. Add some hot glue and wrap it around a cork. Done! Now we add a little fun. Everyone loves googly eyes. Just stick 'em right in. It's a little sponge snail. See?
I don't know.
It won't bite. I'll show you how it works. Now drag it across the lines. It leaves a little trail. Now you go.
Okay, I'll do it. This road's full of twists and turns.
Good job. Okay, bye.
See ya, Mom. Eyes on the road. Where was I?
Megan! My work!
I'm sorry. It was an accident.
No! These are very important papers! Or they were. You need to use your head!
Oh, man.
From now on, you're using this. It sticks to the table, see?
Huh?
We call that spill-proof.
Oh, cool. That's not going anywhere.
That's one problem solved.
Sorry. See? She's my favorite. Hey, what's going on? This isn't working right either. Oh, bummer. I can kinda still hear it. Oh! It's totally gone now?
Things are looking up. When it comes to messy situations, it's always good to look at the glass half full. And in this case, a stemmed glass will do. This will stay put now. Ta-da! What do you think? I'll show you how it works. See your phone screen?
Well, kind of. I don't… Huh? Over there! My show! My show!
Yep, I made popcorn too.
I love this part!
Did you enjoy these crafty hacks? Be sure to share this video with your friends and don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss out on the fun. Lay a white t-shirt on a flat surface. Use a black pen to draw a curving line. Do this all the way down the t-shirt. Draw a second line, making a road. Now draw the road markings. Once you've done that, start to fill the road in. Make sure you draw around the road markings. When you're done, you should have something like this. It's time to start your engines. Hey, Annie, I have something for you. But that's not all.
Wow! A road! That's amazing! Vroom, vroom!
It's like a mini massage.
This is great, Mom! This is the fastest car ever! Watch this!
Huh? It's okay, honey. It's just a little back pain. Ahem. This is so humiliating. Oops.
Is it morning already?
Wakey, wakey, ma'am. Sorry about the flowers. Anyway, what would you like to wear?
I don't know. None of them.
Excellent, ma'am. These are nice.
No.
Ooh, it's so sparkly.
No, I don't like them.
Maybe we keep it simple?
No.
I need a new job. Just coming, ma'am. Whoa! That's gonna hurt later. These are all the clothes in this house.
No.
Seriously? Hang on. Maybe we can use those VR goggles. I should have thought of this earlier.
I don't want to play games.
Just put it on. Who turned out the lights? Hold on.
Ooh, this is fancy.
At last.
I don't like it.
Of course you don't.
Oh, they're cute. How do I look?
Beautiful.
Thanks. You can go now. I need to sleep.
What? Are you kidding me?
I hate that rooster. I'm so tired. I suppose I better get up.
What's that smell? It's gross.
Oh, it's me. What should I wear today?
That's it? That's all I've got? One t-shirt? And it's got a hole in it. I've got to wear something. I suppose it'll have to do. It's so unfair. I wish I had a new wardrobe. What's that? Hey, I forgot about this. Maybe I could use this to find a new outfit. This'll be great. That's cute. Something a little more casual. What's next? Ooh, I suit red. It's a pity I don't have any of these clothes. Just this old t-shirt. You know, this is fun. Wow! Wow, Mom! Look over there! What is it, honey?
Eee, this juice box is good. Oh, it's empty. I need to get another one.
Let's go, Mom! Okay, but let's be quick. It's nice to sit down and relax. This juice box is really empty. I was wanting to try it. Never mind, honey. Maybe I can help. I have some water. Water is boring. Oh, okay. I know. I have some strawberry jam. I can add this to the water. I can't let Annie see. That should do it. Mom? What are you doing?
I want juice.
I tried.
Life is so cruel.
Wait. I think I know what to do. I can use this juice carton. I'll just cut it in half, then put the water inside. Annie will never know. Meh, it's good enough. Annie, this is for you.
Really? This is great! Thanks, Mom!
No problem, honey.
I love having my own pool. Look at me! I'm swimming! Ew, that was hard work. I should take it easy. It's so warm. I need to cool down.
Here you go, ma'am.
Is this a joke? What is that?
It's water.
Uncle, we have a problem. I want a refreshing drink.
I'm on it.
Nah.
Betty deserves the best, freshest orange juice. Imagine serving her water. Don't worry, Betty. This is ridiculous. Here you go, ma'am.
What took so long? I'm telling Mommy! The service is awful. So this is my home.
Wow, it's huge.
No. Sit down.
Whoa, you got so many toys.
And a lot of money. What do you have?
It's not that impressive.
Is that it?
Yeah, this is my monkey.
Yikes.
Look at all those bags. You're so lucky. They're amazing. Wow.
Yeah, I need a new bag every day.
I want a closer look. I've never seen so many handbags. They're so pretty. Ooh, look at this one.
What are you doing? Excuse me? Give me that. This is really expensive. Look at those grubby fingerprints.
I just have this plastic bag. I never have nice things. Oh, I wonder what's in that box.
Where are you going now?
Look at all this cool stuff.
That's just garbage.
I could use this box. Give me a minute. Look at my new bag.
Ooh, I love it.
Where did you get it?
I need to have it.
Take it.
Oh my gosh, this is the best. It's my new favorite. Thanks so much.
Maybe we could do a trade?
I should have known there was a catch. I suppose it's only fair. But I'm not happy. Here, you can take this.
For real?
It's yours. Anyway, I have this. It's not fitting on the shelf. I've changed my mind. Annie? She was right here.
Life can be pretty different depending on how many zeros are in your bank account. But one thing money can't buy is a parent's love. What cute things do your parents do for you? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.